Hello everyone, a lot of people ask me about how to make isomalt, how to cook isomalt. In this video we have three types of cooking for isomalt, and the last one how to use it for the competition and for humidity country, and how to make this easy nice garnish. If this first time to watch my channel, I would love you make subscribe, please make like after video and share it when you like. Let's start the easy recipe, which is normal a lot of chefs use. 50 gram of water, normal water, 500 gram isomalt. So in one saucepan we pour water, then isomalt. There is two types of isomalt. This one like powder from one company called Sousa, and another one is little bigger crystallized from Batis France. Both is the same, you can use it in any recipe, is the same. You start to mix water, isomalt in medium heat, and then as you see you stir all the time. Be careful, don't make in high flame, just a medium one. As you see, slowly it becomes melting. You keep stirring all the time so you have nice crystallized transparent isomalt. It's very important to bring the edges, so nothing in the edge to avoid crystallization or caramelized color. And when all becomes liquid like transparent water, you keep thermometer inside, don't move anything, don't stir. When have 180 centigrade, direct you pour into any mold you have, small quantity, or you bring big bowl with cold water and just make choke to stop avoiding water. Another recipe which American use too much, 50 gram of water, 80 gram of glucose. Mostly all the chefs in US use it, and also it's very nice to make flour from this recipe. Boiled flour or boiled sugar is fantastic with this recipe. The same like previous method. As you see, I start to mix medium heat, then slowly you move all the time. Keep stirring to avoid crystallization, especially in the edges. To add any color to isomalt, wait until becomes 120. Then you can add it. The best is gel color, is fantastic. Also you can use a liquid one or powder. So for one powder, 1 teaspoon water, 1 teaspoon powder, you mix it to have intensive color. So you don't need to add it a lot of water to make your own color. And some chefs mix color powder with little of alcohol, so it becomes more shiny. When becomes 175, you remove directly, you pour into silicone sheet or silver sheet, and you can store it. When you need it, you use in microwave in 5 minutes, will be easy. This is the original recipe which I learned from France. I make for all the competitions. Just 500 gram of isomalt. You make hot pan, then you put 1 spoon of isomalt. You wait until all melted. This is the best way and can stay a long time without get humidity. You see, when all transparent liquid, I added another 2 spoons. Then I keep stirring until melted. Then I add it until I reach the quantity I want. 1 kilo, 2 kilo, whatever you want. So you have to start by this way. Heat the pan, put little bit of isomalt. When it's melting, add it again and again. All the way I cook isomalt in medium heat. Example, in induction from 1 to 10, I use 5. You keep stirring until you reach your all quantity you have. Then when it becomes transparent liquid, you stop and you put your thermometer. Sugar thermometer is the best. You don't add it any water, but if you want any color, you can add it when it becomes 120. Why 120? Because it's so hot and you can evaporate any liquid inside the color. When like you see transparent, you put your thermometer, you don't move, you don't do anything, you just watch temperature rise. You can see this way. I cook 190 degrees, 190 degrees Celsius. Direct I take out, I pour into silicone mold. This is the best way to avoid to get high temperature after cooking. Then when little cool down, I can use a spoon to make so many garnish. I can use for plated dessert, I can make ribbon, I can make flower. Or the easy way, I will use loche or ladle. Some people call it ladle. So I added little oil and then I start to make straight line to make nice cage. As you see, I have beautiful transparent gauge. I can put little of silicone from isomalt to small bowl. I keep in microwave for 30-40 seconds. When it's melted, I can use it to make my sugar cage. And then I can, as you see, I decorated plated dessert which looks so beautiful. Thank you for watching my channel, Ahmad Yunus. Please make share if you like the video and leave comment.